Area abusuafo ye mamo akwa ba ye de empunimpu no to aso esanse ene eye fie denti empunimpu ena ye de ebrem ene empunimpu ye ka elections eho asem nanso meantime no ma me ka aboafo 2019 wo bo me na 2020 so wasan me nante me na won wase papa official pa o magbo collection for also for sister Eunice ene emrante no mo na Richard ani kofini obia me da wase pa na yaka chem say 2020 so mama yento kese yenso yensa na yenyi banu ache asa tipa chopem pabo papa dia de bia da kai say magbo collection empeni dia ho kwala dia ho school for dia wo dey call party dia wo dey call office low first wo dey walk about so slippers bia wo dey twitwa ho ni nyina no kai say magbo collection no ye mpaboa storehouse kese na owo pig farm o trabe di Pele Plaza no traffic farm station no kakra bi ko wonima abronsa na ya painting mono fresh blue black ewo onsa benkum so no ewo na magbo for ewo fresh 0244 211 491 0244 211 491 na fin so eba no kaftan fefe kama say ya enye na one place creative line abrantie na creative woni ne aboafo nyina otumi pamatade hye na ehome wa utimi se wa yekiko wa yede creative line no for all occasions until kaftan no de wo de kwa wade de odi koja wobi de wo ye no Friday we empo de wo ye no everyday corporate way so they call office no and answer said de odi be kwa so request ada no pacho ko creative line for kai say creative line e wo North Kanishi na wo sha ase na Swan Lake Junction baby a Obelix restaurant wo no wo gina wa obeto ani no be won se wo no e na oni no edi animhwe wo be frɛ wo no afre 0244 695057 enti David eni abusuafo no nyina nso mama official pa medamo ase afin so ye nante eni na wa woni tua se ebe se ye she afifufuro yasi ya feni akonafu adumiense edunsun enya asem ketwa adani abato abedwaku se wo hwe ye abato nwoma na ewo na ye hia foforo efi se de ewo no ne bra atwam waye dada waye se wonum yusu brofo bi ntene mebusa me papa ya wa bai se sa brofo overstretched asie kire sen obsolete ene ye beka ne twi na ye tietia ma obia enti ohia nwoma ne foforo amanyokuo no mu ache ebisi o ampa wonu na oman no ede amamrahye amane tumi se wonhwa abato so enti wonim die mu wo adwuma ye ni mu wo hu se sei ne ye no na ebeboa ye ma won kwan na wonye tiefo awon so de obeye bia ebem wo adwuma no aye kama na ebetimi de ato aba eye pa kai se December 7 2020 ye beto aba amanyokuo ni bi nso se enye se mu ni ama mu kwanti mu chichiri bia na mu de ba beso ayen ye na mu ye adwuma na ma yen mu somo man no ti bi ni ewo mu asembisa na dada fe no mu se mu hia nwoma foforo akato na bro busumidu tamben na mu be twirodi tamben na mu be san fresa manfo mu mewie mu o tamben na mu be ka akisi ani ma be foforo mu so dodo enti mu hia foforo mumfa dada na ewo na nya hwe ade ande esese biometric abefo de ya chi nipa no nsa no aguso ne hu nsem no empepa da empro enwe na ache ebere koso no bi beka nwa ne asa kire mu ntibrofo no ne wa upgrade enti de ho no nya hwe mum hwe na mu upgrade ne emfa nkọ yanim ye kama pa abato bi joko se hwe unim enu aye overstretched any obsolete yesi ye upgrade ya ka ye bebo nye kawa enti ye tofoforo kra ye ka beba fom mom ye nye ne saa ene yesi civil society organizations be se do what you say debi mun chire mu we nya adwuma ye kra nso ye ne IT department fo akasa ama wonum se biometric data pa de enwe na ache se de mpese mu chire empro computer nsei enti upgrade na mu hia ebiri ni ho ena abato abedwakuo na wo eku a wate na afie twam ye da wonum edi advisory eminent committee ya wo mutu abedwafuo no ko wo mutu abedwakuo no efo wi ipac sin chenia ena wo so nane na so be no mo si adwubre obi aya adwubre no wo mo si ye be hia mo ma ye nhia enti IPAC amanyekuo no wo anamusifo ene abato abedwakuo no se de ya moye no mummra IPAC funi afi abato abedwakuo na nso eni na yenso eminent advisory committee yenie mumebo nkuru ne yenhwehwe na asomdwe emra ameyatimi ato abano kama eni na UTV mpuni mpunso se eni abato abedwakuo mummra no manfo so kra ente de ekoso se na wotwetwa mu no wo mo mpeneso yese mo hawo ne se wo mo aka wo mo hawo nti sabato abedwakuo so ba na yatimi abusi wo mo se ni na abo ano na manfo mo amuti a mo ya Georgefo na mo George enti ene mpuni no eno a eni Dr. Serebour Quaicoe eno ye Director of Electoral Services ewo abato abedwakuo Electoral Commission ena no pay ye ne no abo mpuni Dr. Fichapa o
me aba me jo afi ngoma san ho afi se ne ya ato abana wie na bibia ye kama
aye kama amen pa ano pay so de ye dase ene ebra wonya amayen na doc mu meeting no a advisory committee ne kan se mo beye no enya ba so
afi no makante o se enya bre na ya twin safre omo a o so mba meeting ne binti ya wuso ya hoboboa
okay
this week ya no makasa ya
okay
nti o se untumi kasa ne ya abra na bra meeting
okay
nti no matter ya na yewo mba 2 weeks bia ya de man what ma bobo an so information bia an so consultation what me ya sana etime be share
okay enti omo na omo din susuye ne ba ye se mu nhia
so omo I'm sorry so ye ne apart from na hia na so kan na am say emu ache nti omo so na say as a futufuo
okay
de yam so you see shop no so chichemu kire omo te chichemu kire omo no say yam twaso na ye consultation no nti consultation na
nti omo na se mo nto aso the impression na yenya aye ne se ye ka se woyo wa ya na ekoso emu ache no e na wo mo aye afutufuo yi a wo mani mo nya mo ka bi wo mo wo gina mu se afani afanyina obi anye kom yen yaje asiebo ye frem mo mehia na mo nchirechire mu na yen hwe baabia ye de beto
so only because ye ne twin safre wo mo
okay
ana echechire mu kire mo se na na ti abadwu ko se BBC sa no a na efi se omo tumi ye ntemgyinafo a ebeboa do di kan se omo nkase mo so ti ase se sen de ntine e pese ye reta bofo ke no mu dia aye sanje kire mu no
okay
to mo so hu de pese ye no to se na case no na yin transbium na yan anobaba ye na
kase mo se ni kita enti mo ntina se ebiem no eye mo abato abedwakuo ne IPAC fo no ana so se omo afutufu ibebe bi
oh no mare APAC meeting bia no edin that so interparty advisory committee nze bo bia so na development partners and guy from donors no omo ho abrofo nyina bi wo ho
okay
ana ye wo civil society organizations so ebi wo ntinye party for no nko ana nti we abese no mo gidie se nyanya details of how abesia
okay
but we gidie se omo so ebi ba betem bi
okay cause we got the impression say some meeting no be a bit different from more ebi a regular IPAC meeting said the news no ba want na it say we no yes no committee no na afre obegina ntemu o hobby say obehwe this special need and a peculiar situation
no because for now no details ni yan decide details no but omo de no maka and the frame meeting na say egusu ekirem to mo so wadwuna omo so betima akire party for so wadwuna na obi so akire na adwene
nti da bena sa meeting be ba so
penifo no afi no mo
hihye date
na magaza wonze untumi nyina ayi nyina nkan ntutu nkan nti omo afutom da man na ye nti egusu ye ho amboboa
was a ye twan sa meeting no enra muhia CSOs no ema best 18 of them emudodo na emu edru omanu dru dwam say ye bo omudin ebi mu kra ye kan Africa kan we bi mu to kra ye international ama wo masemo mo kan se there bi omadwen yo mo se muhia register for mo so mo de manu ye ba ye de but CSOs so stance o matic net mo say
yo so na me ka say an gudamudua na yegusu no na minimum na commission ye because me am jama electoral commission
okay
me ya adwunu say na CSO for no so commission abotrama no wie meeting na ye na answer no we yan we meeting kwa na omko ye sa release no nti na o ma bi sepsen nsem bibi a na ye yi ano ti adwumi se nke bi omo nya abotre ma bi a ye nsem nyina no wie de nko botim de aka omo nsem no no se e bia se na ye bisa mu se na maka ne ne mo nya adwene anse ne mo nya adwene sa anu ye na wie na omo press release nya de honama electrical commission na ho na edi hu ya kakra e bizenga once ya to nsa afra mu se ne pese ye ndemra metie no ko so munya abotre no mutie de ye kan na ewie afi na oda to nsani so ansa na waka de ko kan
oh mo meeting e ko saying what transpired mo anwie mu jani sese mu se kan be share da be
egusi ye na ebi mu free akire na mko ye press conference no
oh sa
na ko si ko na time ye wie no na tu nam se tu ana se tu kra pa but along the line no because the penumba go kra me pese me oni hanti
okay
onu bi sa asema na answer the end say ye cheche mu wie ye no na yes a discussion point into wo kan asema na atwere te ye asembisa mi enuma na ye yi ano na sa gibiem nti penumba ko no je ye je nsem ni ntam me du se be yi ano no ye tu ye ni a oni wo ho na ye te say omukwa akoye press conference de ho na
no mushia si osus be saying dodo saying
mini figure no ha as mo say friends saying public affairs for na invite you
okay
mini figure no but no do so ha mi twako hwia 40 de omedu
oh okay nti mu 18 e ka say omo ne mo nya adwen
in fact mi figure mi nya na so de I'm saying 18 mi but then issue no is not about 18 and 9 be am go then cause me ya dwum de senka you mu wi ansa nso ye wi de na fa wo ko so mo frɛ yen e bia se ne na e ba adwene kire na na unsi say the some ye kan one sem this no at times you know e bia na there is obi hu no and yes so simple sir
okay
nti say you see your theory ne your practicals nti ne mo bi wo ma wo tima kan sa na wo tie ase but e bia wo mu ana hunu dete ana de bia me asa me kan say sebe ye na ye Ghana for ye yin adwun say ye koya de a e de susanso bon bro man no but me ka say anu so nke say de e pe bia ne say ye but o say ya anu ba ye tenu an ye schedule say 10 o'clock ni ye shia sie so no na 4 o'clock ye shia media for no so
okay
tenu as ye shia media for no na mo gidie say ekure ebetutu mu se mebrene hu say eguso ye koye no
mo aka ama reason mo use brofo overstretched and obsolete honestly sa brofo ni mienu no eno kra na say create confusion no nti sa overstretched and obsolete no my synonyms na kan twi so chere
ya can say overstretch and you refer to the data no you say do the limit say untimi emfa bi nka ho bi mana say untimi nan say opa bi
okay
na oka over na obsolete na anu ye mfidie no
okay
mfidie no say obsolete say ne bra twom enti say I hu say wo kura ene e wo computer minim wo say computer bi anu difference ba over phone say iPhone for example you say na me say iPhone say iPhone 11 Pro say enti be ko na enti wo say e bi iPhone na wo su no be 4 years ago no ejina na so but now no I obsolete in the sense new ones are bit my better work than the one thing is obsolete no
enti first of all I overstretched I will say muntumi mfa bi nka ho no ene se edin ye de bi ka ho bie mu a enye ye ana
the ejina ho dankasa no asem bebre wo ho nti za wo de bi ka ho a na te se be wo damu aye wura na untumi prapra mu na so na mabegu mu biem
asem bebre be ne wo
yo me da se edikan no data na ye wo se sia no yen enti ase ne se ye wo nkofo bebre a omudi wo mu a nso mudi mbem ye over 2012 ne compile na ufa death rate wa Ghana ya adwunu mu no I say when you say crude calculation no you have about 1 million people are omudimo register no
okay
na ye ntiase so ne say nipa no di omu a say Adekye ye biometric verification kwan dia in the bed market say owu nto aba
okay
but now no the manual verification abaka ho na manual verification che say nipa tumi ma obi to aba o use biometric no in the without fingerprint obi to aba na yiye
ene
yes sanity yeah
na ada na moye ne sa
the thing is say yeah 2012 no so abaka yeah no verification no vote and about out say go for bebre ekwo ha o man ntuma anto aba ni because evident antuma am nsa no in the 2016 no event say ya dan mra nani ama de bam say so nba ko no ansa mfa ya man kwa na onye omam wo no ndi ada say ono a ya man kwa no nto aba and now omo to 2016 there no and na ya the referendum and then answer the level elections ya the
okay
na the BI make us say this are some election this election ni na but binti nim kase ba oba general election na eno no emre ba wo so binti ni so ndi ade bi betime si wo this level election na betuma aduam no about this as presidential a different ball game over parliamentary election for example say ya minim say 2096 2000 back do winning okre election or the three votes ni winning here
okay
over 96 so elembele do winning no the 11 votes ni winning here
okay
over your current year ya will be more winning less than 100
yeah
100
in 2012 also Tema East honorable titles Glover so the 3 votes MP3
correct idia na bi mi say the sabi ewu a enka hwe ye ne ewadwum de ni mi say e ka hwe pa if say uba manual verification na e na e ka hwe ne eba
because but manual verification no who use ebrea biometric no anyedwuma
correct
enti say asemasi aba ana obenti aba ordinance abegu afidie ni so say afidie na amfa and then we resort to manual.
Correct.
And see, first thing is that obia befa biometric in it.
Correct.
And see, anyasa uba ye na ne akase o die ye use manual, ye use biometric amount, ye use it's not an alternative.
Correct.
It is a backup.
A alternative depend on bakro.
Oh sir.
For example, say them kase menu ya je to me say papa onya Serebour kuzu e na to aba Serebour kuku ha. So wonu ho. Nti eya na so odin sa tools na amfa nti yegiri se ono ya fill manual verification form na ma no what oba no tenipa no etiase wo say na say mini wo pronunciation yetimi kodu say ma onto aba na ebetuma su manual verification ma obi ato aba no to bako ne atake odin se wato untumi nto aba no mani ye
na any afi na eno so ba because na me feel say say oba ye be di check biometric bia data no. But the only time I very sorted to manual and say bia BVR no to me infa ne fingerprint no. Inti me infa ninti then we need to cross check.
The whole canon in credit no. And because say amount for abom adwum possible o make it system na. What you say? Say the make say who do ID card aba. Emra no so makwan say who ID card kwa to mama to aba no na yi.
Okay.
Inti me no no ya collude e decide say the person boa obi.
Okay.
Enti we ne bae no clear dey mi so yen Serebour Quaicoe what you say enti register dey machine ba pick Serebour Quaicoe particulars
okay
ba pick
okay
to pick ya no me no mi onu say gian say aye ono an say yen ono
but because one say the picture be ba right
picture no ba
enti say
the picture no picture me nfa say me ka say me no mi onu ye koludu say ya pese we tuma Serebour Quaicoe
ane
enti ye twa yi now is scanning barcode na Serebour Quaicoe phone na beda so
okay
na me no say wo for status so say wo ye Serebour Quaicoe ye ni me say ye Serebour Quaicoe but say for status say Serebour Quaicoe automatically if you dey nfa if you say ye Serebour Quaicoe fingerprint okay ne fi manual form so manu ya fi da manu
en na nka meba mu say say ye de ne ye fa ne de tanana ne code no ne ye de shima se also a Serebour Quaicoe ni photo be yaba nti ye hwe nanima be hu se no unye Serebour photo no enche Serebour Quaicoe nti even though ya collude no picture no be betray no
hwan na be hwe picture no
what about the rep not me no na ye electoral officers na ma fa temporary staff no
yes because obi o wi ade asem ne yakon
okay
obi o ina so mfa no kranya adwuma ne asem ne yaka
okay
eti clear ye nim say picture we Serebour Quaicoe dia anya we dia but say biometric machine dia if dey do onim nipa do man some fingerprint ye wa
okay
but ye ni decide say ye ma Serebour Quaicoe ntu aba no nti we no because money ama no kwan go e just a matter of filling form dia that ye twa picture no but me ni na ehwe say e Serebour Quaicoe ye Serebour Quaicoe me no hwe so ye Serebour Quaicoe even though you say we na gina wo no asem ye kan no
man yet said then the system is a bit loose
and no because it is a manual verification implication na make one say and there is essence say the I didn't tell man biometric dey buy if you say who say nkofo impersonate obi kwa so me to bear 4 me to bear 5 just say nfa biometric mra biometric machine dey you say once on sana fam no dey at the end of the day na fidie no be chese nipa 20 na to aba no but manual verification no ba I see 20 to ba mu edu to dey omo to your man fa fidie no mu ta kwa 30 10 no abeda ka chi no and what's some you can see no
but no so notwithstanding that I'm for enso make point say BVR no biometric no ne papa ye no ni rate no of extra pa say benya sa manual verification situation si bia less ne error no isa ya enru 1% kwa 0.6 so say 0.4 nti dia wo kan say ye be resort to manual be nam so ma collusion ni stealing and I say rigging bi beba baby no bibi kitwe bi
amintiro yamfa na send this assimilation ye
okay
oko upper east here nipa 8000 and a manual verification na 8000 no so mfa za wo spread omukra 11 constituencies
okay
nti we divide 8000 no by 11 na average 800
okay
getting to 800 divide the electoral constituency bia no nipa 800 isu manual verification uno implication
I don't get it do that calculation again
the mention say if upper east na say this level election here no omo isu manual verification no mo about 8000
manual no
yes 8000 upper you can record that how we upper east here 7000 na upper west here 8000
okay
and na mention say omukra 11 constituencies
okay
and you divide 8000 no by 11 now you are talking of around 800 per constituency
I see now you share
in that case next nipa 800 bia wo constituency bia no am pass through manual verification a small figure
I want pass it to BVR biometric
BVR no here they trading no the BVD no am pass it through
okay
in the because where am no I didn't pay for any the problem no ho
okay
but where the nipa and you see they be am say election party be no Ghana ha o man kwan a onwia no party this are what exams who knows what being saying now who say obi abeto exams on questions ni yo me the baba hwa na so here
I don't know I don't know what I would do then
the thing is say or say in such a way say obi a nya kwan no I trust obi system no
okay
no obi aso nya kwan so olusu wia obegina aka say e bia we ni ntra yen ne wo electoral commission ni mu ena nim ho awia e bia move abedu de gina
okay
you see as long as the manual verification wo ho no people can abuse it
I see and see the na be manual verification if you facial
exactly what you are saying now no say let me go 2012 no verification no vote no manual verification and about say single for be anti manual verification about and you know 2016 2008 referendum and 2019 this level election and we say going into 2020 stakes me very high and this ma grounds move be about my manipulate the system no and the man this ma grounds move be said back on kwa ba na nko ya obenya asema gina so and I cannot tell you nyamianim say that manual verification a time bomb.
And your facial no so crass to bear time bomb free say last week me share General Secretary mind DC no General Mosquito made me understand say facial no cry e woni own challenges manual no na man fingerprint no if it's a fingerprint no authenticity e was sure facial no na research say enipa bi before no facial no emfa papa enye authentic enough that India crowd try some use facial no they've had their own challenges. It's a challenge you will have. Facial no won't be 100% solution.
Me that's it. Me pese etie for tia say say facial no em replace fingerprint. In the same man example of Upper East there no. So what it means is say 8,000 now.
Sorry.
Biometric na nyadma omo no. Omo na the facial no ba. Ndi so fingerprint didn't fail wa. Sa 0.6 na o kan no. That small figure na e be come manual no, na yi manual na free ho. Na the facial number. Na wo gidie beyond every reasonable doubt. Say yeah, na mkaze ye wo bi kwampa omo system ma, omo ye face only. Face only ke say omo nsa no. Adwuma omo ye no. Nsa no all right o. But wo say wo hwe natural Yankopon design nsa no. Say blade kwa twom pe evidence recognize biem.
Okay.
Ebe healy all right. But mark no recognize biem.
Okay.
Ndi obi omo nsa no yo all right. Nyomo nsa twam keke. But nsa no all right. Na adwuma o ye nti. Ebia o de odo. O so ade ma odi obi so chemicals na de abeni bonu say ranges and values no. Ndi obo amwo face only for no. The face only nko no because of machine recognizing no and manual for no. Because we are now so if you don't catch say you trade no face only. Don't buy ya can no. Ndi akofo ina no welcome into the
and you think that facial challenges are a fingerprint yenya ya.
No because fingerprint no bo ho. Kakra na ntima go fingerprint no na the facial no.
And amika say na sa kakra no so yenkonya what is the assurance and I say you tried and tested the evidence say facial ne de yenya de tu nipa nanimu ase ne fingerprint na amfa facial ne de be fama. So
far no say demonstration ma ya akire na de ina no yenya that challenge na ka no.
Okay.
Nti ye wo gidie say
oh you've done demonstration already.
Exactly. Oh I invited party for any so then I know so some party for boycotting so kaya. Nti ya ended. If you kwambo even national identification council so the same facilities almost be demonstrate actually.
Na ade na mo yes say ade no e wo say mo ni omanfo no dwen ho stakeholders edi won komansa na sesi ebi ni say ya twen so ntonto ya na mo twen so ntonto yi nti mo ma sha ase a mo ye hu demonstration say enya amaso a mo ahyisika egu.
Oh say na me say o de adwene na o de ye na obi ya bia na o da ho bobo aso na o de ye.
Okay.
Untumi nyina ho anka say kize obi aje atuma ansa na wa start and adwuma na
but at least you say unya be 80% to 90 of mo nyina nipa na adwen ko ben krom de but when you have a higher majority then it's safe to say obi ati ase.
And that's it. Me say me wogide say since 92 de na why we adota
oh me wenyi o papa me obada da
and it's a follow your activities election bi enu ho a adwuni na akope okay even 2016 pa even rate e kama asemi an sana MP before say ensesa no
yeah
na that is here na we went the MBC da say yes start activities ye be ye uko 1988 before you started you know so na almost register 1992 so there was who but then answer oh ye now the adwene pa I don't know the main material say no we gidie pa say by the time I be compile new voters list na be we no obi an want to say be hu so sana adeniyem
but at least say madwen kopekra edu ba bi a compromise bem and then omo take that stance say yempin no usually some no ye opposition no omo so no na fe nkuma na betete omachi nti say omo so no omo stake omo ne de yetie wo omo in a way.
Yeah, oh, automatically.
But these ones, as in NDC and the rest feel, muntie wo mo kra.
Then you can say tie omo na as a engage omo, but we are engaging all of them. nti minim say me we should accept what they are saying and say
you listen to them, you engage them, you take their suggestions, and where possible you infuse it into they wa come here and you be famu baako ya say you be drew ha you be yen say
yes share not less than 4 ani na no bi a che na adwene ne ti say the no ye say engage go for ya che chiro mu de obi aso be kana adwene e kana de e betimi e beboa no for example say upon consultation mu initially na yan adwene say ye completely new garden of data.
Okay.
But upon consultation from other consultant, and now it is coming out to say the main biographics, are here within Papa Din, Mammy Din, Chrome, age, says, there's no problem with it.
Okay.
So, because ID card no bar, and who has said, we will go through that process in the mobile.
Okay.
And this is what do ID card and bar. Fingerprint na yen saving a year.
Okay.
And fisher in a paper account. No banner say, who credit card na just to na one bar. Just a matter of a phone phone. No, the status so. No, so that to facilitate.
We'll come back to that. But more time can bro for be say aye dada obsolete inti infidie no. Now infidie kitami say aye dada. In fact, every day cry. It's such that. Almost every day, every 2 days, you need to upgrade your iOS. Then you upgrade. I think upgrading, a year modern, sir. I'm person much say if you didn't upgrade, you cry and you just see a protection and cut off.
But you think I'm saying,
yeah, kuna many. Yes, dog.
Samsung. We don't find iPhone. Is it possible to upgrade iPhone 1? I'm going to buy iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Definitely not. But
the phone that no. Yeah, machines is here no. 2011 machines.
As in the computers.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then BVD in 2011.
Okay.
And don't take us there obsolete no. But one power yeah fidie no. My job fidie no produce.
Okay.
And the now I do the end of life.
Okay.
End of life nigga say
apem.
Okay,
so let's see more cotton. What was the lifespan? Was there a lifespan?
Oh, father, I don't mean to me in Yano in the sense that na me knew no motoy.
Okay.
But STF on the buy.
Okay.
And if you amongst a report now I am tempted to believe the no means the election 2 now so because that's what they said they do end of life in machine for.
Okay.
That's what they said.
But these machines, they namely say any mukra no IT phone because usually say a hard driver. You just go and buy an upgraded hard drive. Do you really have to? Because a kwakakra no and I difficult to say CSO phone can say almost abaho any omo IT phone no mo akasama. Omo feel say enye dada say says ye won nkonsa etotwene krasa enti say ye hard drive and aye dada ye pay new one ye fa touch ye dog
better me mouse figure do and
yes dog Mate for Dr. Serebour Quaicoe me pese me amount for a consensus na ye omo kasa kan say onfidie no aye obsolete na say aye dada ye de bibia enye ye bi eno ka say ane omo ye no kra ka say o edu brebia ne bre ne bepem ambisa so nti omo ye ne se ebe yisu no mfie be ko mfie be bate no de o se no nyu to me chenti na ambisa so mrantie ye amode mo abe wo computer mu na no ye mitesi o hard drive no ebe timi akrashe so ayema nti enya foforo nti afede omo ka ye ka gege no ne mega no omo ka terabyte and you just move high. Why change it totally? If it's a computer there, yentum channel crash asset kopo ebisi microphone dem one who use to only change the drive. Yes, doc. And doc say my information.
Me if you say financial analysis of the old than the new BVD.
Yes, doc.
2016 you issue 68,000 BVDs.
Okay.
And as at now no they are in good shape people there 56,000.
Okay.
Omo na mo de afide no bre no say se ka se refer be 56 no a. But umbe charge ba ko bia 244.
Okay.
Into cost of refurbishment in the Bible see $13.
Okay.
They make a be $1.
Okay.
I'm saying I'm refurbish some fide na because here $13,664,000. We so because of number of polling stations, we have new ones.
Okay.
Yes, we have additional, we have 24,000. There were 56, no. The better refurbish it.
Okay.
And then the price of the amount, no. Now, I don't know to cover all the polling stations with the space, no.
Okay.
Because we have additional 24,000 come. Come on, any current vendors, no. And so I'm about to be also 917.
New ones.
New one $117. And so the total cost by 22,008,000.
Okay.
Into total, no, you can say going by the current BVDs now, about cost here 35,672. So 35 million. 672,000. Okay. Now, with the current, negotiations is here, no. We are talking of your target here 80,000 BVDs.
Okay.
See, you took 85,000. Almost back could be almost $400.
You two new one now. Okay.
International total, back could see 32 million. Into who compare your refurbish current BVDs as we are saying now, 35,672.
35 million.
So 35 million. 672. And you told new BVD by the new now you're not making come on. And it be 32 million. So the question is, why will you spend more to refurbish an old BVD when you can get the new at a cheap cost?
I know, so me kai say general no can say on tin penny sem da say in the situation where you are upgrading and the award that now so me will be that I have it. I just want to me famra current me upgrade no mom e boy den a chance me koto everything new. So I say insist so papa.
I know technology sem no.
Okay.
Technology no as and break kono na na so cheap. In the workers are refurbish now more or less ututu na me be afiri na kototo na me bi o. Cars we here. So workers we over here one we years pipers about to dey over here no kwa no. Uto ka fufu kwa na cheap.
I see.
Yes. Inti na me say we no here from my ni bi current outgoing suppliers no figures ni. And the new ones a put on them figures in it.
Time ben na take key steps here who say ye to new a born will form na ye upgrade ya a born will show.
Oh, make us last year at the point time no say mona is here for who say they recommended say there are a lot of them company but budgets were available but new management buy no say why say you want to vendor lockout? I don't think they also be general back phones. Why don't you open it to others? Don't my open tender advertising the graphic. The nimpa company.
Oh, sir, advertisement. So cross some of the share corner baby. Oh, he said it. It's like for Bekaya. Or sister offer classified na. Obonsa ha e bia corner baby say. And I'm the share no me mu ade. Na mu ye na mu de share baby say. That was what he said.
But the minimum say 30 companies. And a bed was on my plan. Tomato documents are in and we are not 8 of them. And I'm documents in our buy. That's where we have got into.
Okay. Now, Mami Musa say, time ben na mo ye madwin pa say, ye pese ye voters register for.
Oh, Uber Kaya somewhere in March last year, getting to and a bar say as part of the IPAD meeting, no, a BMU say there's a need for us to move on. Because I'm getting STL for no. There is no more contract. Until every year, biano service na the normal amount how much.
Okay.
So, until omunu rebecca say, ebia ufon we kura we no. I say change cover no. Change we say. Until new management buy no. No mo say the way the money we feel say I know should do. The was try say be ma obisa be compete with me. So when the other competitors came in and say we can rather cut down the cost by opening it up for open tender instead of doing restricted, To next time, we be no first year for now. Even BVD's component, those for between 2012 to 2016, or some of the BVDs in our core, I think Holland. Call Fabian and Son of Sandeba. But 2019, if I go for a junkie for another number, the past material, everything in Ghana is about 6 months.
Maybe because ye knew Shekra Tebiswa, Muka said Muchokoma Parliament, say Muhian some very refurbish BVDs, BVRs, ne wono, Dadano. Inti Semuni Musen Kamube voters register for fra. I didn't na more requested for refurbishment and sana later Muka so Sikano cry you see, and now ye fancy no for this year.
And so there was a minimum old management. Omo ba over to aso. Ba oba you weigh the options. Two options na be hu say ebia dey na e course no. Ye bie mu a because you say that it say kodwa do a na hu dey eba.
Okay.
Instead of be focus because you have to remember say one hairdresser. Tell me honest hairdresser we could say be on the best. But you would me say now hairdresser do obia betime no they will come out with different prices what they can do for you. Hey, so first now an officer when now there are better options. And now they went for we went for an open tender. They want amount for the prices in negotiation about we can cut down the cost. So
new management in normal almost say we need to change our register.
No, old one from Zaka say a do level or say change in the money bebre. Like STF no, I don't have the record.
Old management I can't to her.
Exactly.
New management.
My cat was say changing the money bebre. Baby to me specific.
Man can say change register.
But machines not in there.
Okay. New management in Oba year ben.
By 2018, I think somewhere near social, but in May August.
So it means that Obeto old management
proposals, including the recommendations and changing kits.
Okay. Inti then na nadwan ko honom na mum oko bisa for refurbishment wansem
and they were all part of STL for handle and the man I recommend them because year biano they will come out with recommendations I feel we say next year. Into 2018 Krambono for that's to go into the referendum no limited one no don't say we need 56 million to do the refurbishment in a come on.
Now yate argument to say Supreme Court during 2012 ka said ye beye na enkoye so afibia na se brebia so ya bodompim ye kwatwo ye din no do intermittent do no just easy and intermittent registration of people. See, I say when people turn 18, you do, and I say when they turn 18, they can walk up to you. And I will mo be inti basa pansi be sa data yin na to egu ebe ya asem no yen ko share bi sa.
But two issues.
Okay.
And I make say as now no data nangasa na ho no. Biometric na adwel biometric no is being defeated because the failure of this fingerprints no. The you can say maybe with the new technology na adopt na no. You capture the way there maybe that is you capture we are then there will be no need for us to do the But you can maybe TSA no this one my personal view.
I'm not getting
what I'm saying is current data now you have challenge with the way I'm store pictures and fingerprints and I don't know. And then because if you want the card correct now, you have to take a new picture with new fingerprints. And that challenge is gradually people's fingers are failing them. And the test be political party for no some of the issues. Because now commission, if it is in a law, you continuous registration. Now you continuous registration, what it means is that when you're 18 now about your office. Now about it. Almost say Omunje let commission ni papa. In the because they continue political party on both sides.
Okay.
If the say continuation there. Then you are saying that you have to create permanent employment for our agents.
Okay.
Because
agents number call various
because which means the time you say you be on the office no what you and they cannot afford that.
Oh, really?
Exactly.
So then it means that court ruling to anya ejuma na.
It did the man they no agree in say once the one in agree say be in fact one week be sure for continuous no and limited one normal office aberesa.
Oh, I see.
And the say I dey party for no tia sia. Ye dey say machines no ho. To na say nka wo menu krama obanya 18 na also nsa na ordinary office na eresa na. But party for say the best pa which means tell me no party ni bo ho. The once a year members 365 days no. Then you be to me a recession no. Or some so hot 365 we say there should be permanent agents.
In that case, you know, since 2012 as a ruling by try sir. Is that the suggestion or court ruling now? Parties no.
Like it's a transparency in the engage party for no.
Okay.
The engage no because in that case no. How money has set up some days till you be 2016.
Okay.
Yes, you be 2016. And so what it means in it
2016 my bia.
Yeah, so continue kakra. But the party agents were there.
Okay. And for that reason, you know, I'm for feel say yenya no so bebre mu so say overstretched bebem say you can't add up because the numbers to add up a few.
Hey, now say the year 2019 yanko electoral bowl is in more than 1 million. 2019 the year Kenya. I would say no apart from Quaicoe say Quaicoe ya deny go for bebre say call electoral by electoral and that is some of the challenges. Okay. Electoral the more you expand the more you need equipment.
Okay.
And equipment is in a challenges.
Okay.
And when found two BM say 2020 away, we have two options.
Okay.
Either a new registration or a limited registration.
Okay.
We cannot rule out registration.
Okay.
It takes a limited registration or say additional equipment.
Okay.
Or say refurbish.
But obviously because Oma and we say the amount in 2016 was 68,000 and the BR say as I say 56,000 or so obviously now has equipment in the mobile be that and you don't necessarily have to do a new registration and sana matter equipment you know and see I didn't say alternative there I then among call for limited registration because what I saw 2016 mu yebi now no other so 2019 mu yebi so why don't you go for the latter option?
I'm saying all this county the challenge na yeka say ba fingerprints na do no continue to because for example say simple mathematics
okay
10 at we no na 33.6% then for 34%.
Assembly
day.
Okay.
General election bia no Jehovah around unya less than 70% 10 at low. In fact 33 multiply 2 be 66%. Also for 64 bar be 68%.
Okay.
Yeah, Zumi say general election 2020 you be 10 out of 68%.
Which will be low.
Yeah, which will be low, but at least because
okay.
In the balance, I multiply 10 out by 2. Now you see, on more call manual verification, normally around 35,000. 2 multiply by 2, I say
150
and 35,000, the best 70,000. And because 70,000 will have a lot of
challenges.
No, we have a lot of implications on the election results.
Oh, I see.
We have a lot.
When did you realize all this? Because it's a mukaya and the time factor no, and Kabana would have done it.
No, for us, because you buy your program normal with us. 2004.
Barely 10 months because we are in January, all right. But I bet you about 7th December into the month of December is not part. So say in 10 months.
But 2004 time a generalization. A year in July.
A year in July. And a year exhibition time.
I think September was the time. I'm not coming but 2012.
Okay.
A year realization in May.
Okay.
And currently by our timetable, no, a baby in May.
Come timetable not to say. What's your timetable like?
The timetable is say BBA course as planned by the middle of May, you better start registration. So by the middle of April. But the decision, not by the end of May, near we.
Okay.
We are July, near a exhibition.
Okay.
Now, August, September, yeah, nomination.
Okay.
Now, December, election. And for us,
parties no benya data no say usually you
we always engage them. There be a meeting no
I'm talking about time na more data no you give them the data so that and as say
the law say you real registration now and your friend provisional register your mom copies we will give them. Now your final registration we say your mom copies and so your mom.
I see. Into time constraint now, man for Jane say time ben na mube compile, mube exhibition, and I don't know any problem.
Meaning about the thing say be any letter commissioning. Over staff na meet magasa about 80% mean can get simple. Mom go through these processes anti say register no ya dey bit me so be nya asum dwuna dey. Anya easy to compare new register. A stress about community no. Wow, get a better crampo. But yet, say, I don't know, baby, busy chiaswa. Yam Ghana.
Okay.
Because clearly, him say, Quaicoe, the tie pie. Yes, a month of a country, then found go. Not one pie because you say, can't be a more complaining. Okay. It's yen, then go for Kane and can you simple side there and come remember your brand of from. What I say?
Okay.
But at the end of the day, you be real election. Now what that, Mr. Mada? I can assure you, say, election be where we are, or be uncomplaining that. Election be where we are, or being cocked. This assembly and say, yeah, grumpy. Your court case is better. This assembly, yeah, you. It election be a cocked. But this is a man background in a swap. Now for a question, it be a man you win, man you win, and internet you do. Did the Ekasa in Nano? Sabi, and yes, be a Brenner ever Brenner pet.
Okay.
But say we no na won fa won some electoral commission. What be say? Na ye den, let us avoid all of them. And I can assure you with all everything that I can talk of say. You be compare register. Obi be who say is now credible. Both have to be and be free register so. Then I call election so.
Okay.
The so be ya wan say no be we no be come no. Na say ni yankopon say when Ghana for so musu hina. But say nobody mean can be complaining. That one being seen. But the back one nyina so. So we shouldn't create that.
Because you are used to the parties always complaining. Say mo dwuma dey dey near nipa ho adwuma na afen so aye elections as same thing. We dey obi baba mo so bonti. Aye te say mo so mo ho ati ene mo ho agi so ye bebo ye so bonti. The more can impose even if they have a case we won't mind.
As an irresponsible.
Okay.
So, do you mean because any was who taken 10 positions say, Doma can be bois, as an wood yellow. And so now say, bones to me, yes, who can I responsible.
Okay.
Yen I can afford. As soon as you bar, Sabi, when we are no more bushia. Until now, Madame Deno, I should be proud to say, my bois and my election are peaceful. Ubiara bois. My election are successful.
Okay.
A real election now, because election be company. But the majority of people should see say election where they name would fine and only a target. Today be a bit to a bit my Sintudiano. You know, I am wa, being in flu, near na minimum me Gideon say, Adebiano always say no. Abasa be emphasized, Uka, who is Minuka, no be so among new camper. Even the car may be better, but still, most attach my car to the new car, old car. If you have forgotten, hey, I didn't papa na me. Timothy says, Safia no be addressed after we have compared the rest of people. Say, Sana, the rest and I believe say, a bit to me because currently, you know, you project here, we have almost 17 million voters. You sound the baby come one. The baby has headed towards about 20 crore. But technically, you know, my dream idea. Say the time you correct part, there shouldn't be more than 17 million after compiling.
I see.
Me say you go to all the process now. I phone a woman to make your mudim. So Babas and Abama Yanya actual. And now at the back on say, oh fire records are ye be na ye back comparing new voters register no. Voter turnout was wrong. Ye be so ask yourself Adinja. Because who compare for now, a more accurate. Because voter turnout is just a moment to abandon against 2 times more rates anymore. Okay. The more who for the doors no. That's the moment to abandon a doors. Okay. Now my turnout to know I low. The more GD say you compare we are voter turnout to be. And then the more say or more any something women so no. And so increase your budget. because about printing ballot paper cover all voters in the register. In the which means say the calculation can no the adwuma. Next say you print additional 1 million. Omfa nto aba no.
I see. Ebi so akase I say more premo hododo. If you say afi ye hwe kwan say GSS ebeye census ama omo kran so akase omo beye. Nti se nkomo ye census na enokra beboa ama yetumi ana matumi aye mo new register no na mo aye ne yie. Ade nti na mo ntwen enhwe na se ya anye no afia ya anye new register na afia edie ne besie so that mo benya accurate information na bibia nso aye kama.
Yo me nua question be say say check ba na register any census wo. Omo ni check bia. Omo ni check bia na sense omo amu atwere mu din no different and na census be so different. Enti yem fan say ya census na yes nipa 18 million na omo 18 years and above. Now kona 10 million na kwatwa mu dia. Ye 10 million yenim. Enti me say nipa na omo Ghana from 18 omo 18 plus omo 18 million to o say 18 na say be raise no. Omo be raise no hia. Enti that is one.
But at least ebema mo ehu the adult population yes split a man in dodo and then the
population no, but that don't mean say they will come and register.
Okay.
That is it. And two, incidentally, time I me PhD no. Me supervisor me one of the government statisticians is here.
Okay.
Me need an number for
Dr. Bediako.
David. Currently Dr. Professor Samakobna Anim.
Oh, okay.
One of the government statisticians here. Me call 4 days ago.
Okay.
Na me share this collaboration me kan yan. Asad na no, but you wouldn't tell me about your census na. It's about people say about almost started on 13th of March.
Okay.
On my official date by.
Okay.
But I can tell you say that time no. And then no.
Emma so that time.
Yes, date na a month for the no.
13th March.
15th March, sorry.
15th.
Emma so that time. Ebiem so mo compare census figures in Mbona. Yes, I compare na ba it takes around 6 months asana figures in Swaba.
Okay.
It is a old link to then what we are saying is a recession.
Okay.
Then back to the argument say, yeah, and you're not challenge the cano. How do you address them?
Okay.
Now, you're not challenge the cano so a corner manifesting who election in more. You put when your board when you could do after to community. I don't think yes, sir. I better create a mimic to say me who. The avoid it, now someone premier avoid it.
I say, ebi so aka say NI beboa mo. Mo so mo say NI de no de. Time no omunwie yempo. Nti ayete say the amanfo be kan bia no mo response. Ma ye madwen say register ne de suntum awia ko.
Pen for say no credit and to say bi.
Okay.
Me what was that kan why dey kada?
Ani.
Okay.
E wo me pace.
Okay. But me nim say asad na ya ka say e bia ne change figure asasa. But and I no mun raise 6 million.
Okay.
If what I mean
it was around 4 million as at December, but now I don't know.
And we are talking of
a little over 4 million.
We are talking about expectation of about 17 million voters in the year. That ben say over no them 6 million I can't about 11 million say capture. That ben na for baby South Africa no. Yanti asibi mu say electoral commission ye registration bia no na because current one because no your projection say within 45 days or see we.
Okay.
And yes registration you call polling station to polling station. And I done it sir.
Okay.
Inti yanti asia no say na because say inti kan na if we na data na available why do you have to even to stress myself to go and gather sleepless night na den. But you clear say that the end if with me we and sana ya compare because so come we there then the simplest form and say ombama data no na hu say omo am ye Ghana for 18 years plus no money then we ask them say mini akunama ya kunama right ko ba bia sa da we dey si wo na sa na we dey si wo obi anko obi obeso to naba with the card do the card ko na say dia capture ID card ni na we na man na ifo no ma transfer the tender brain yenya register we are exhibition but me no TSC here no and ifo no omunya bound by any time today can use 2 years we can use 3 years nobody cares but yet you see a registration no your exhibition your nomination your election in 2020 there's no way obit ma go jam Ghana for any say yes an can raise anything no about 2021 one be president in between those days no it yeah and there's a technical team I mean to me a part of it I need for no it you data na ready na me say e better e bre so kura bebre but for now me need say it's possible so me to me additional 11 million akano
okay
and say because me say what you pull by September or say your nomination
okay
no one nomination na undumi election because nomination on my candidate so momra and now nomination is based on register because me say you should be a registered voter
okay
if you only register then no be so nomination
say what is left then na come new register process na mutu no so aka say my testing
yes for me no ka say there's a company be friend person omo contact come start omo be data no data center no and we are hoping
Pesol systems
yes
okay
omo be contact start omo be data center na no say no now for the old iPhone now say data center no omo upgrade na be cost 50 million.
Okay.
But first of all, no more contract is 6 million.
Okay, 6 million.
And upgrading the old now, it was going to cost 50 million.
Okay.
New data center for crown 6 million.
Okay.
Until many about the head and camphor.
Yen to us soon, see, ya what the contract
data center no not started. And the said by next week, no, nothing more many contract for unza come the chem miensa. Data center no different. The hardware no computer no name by registration no DVD no and so different. And a software no and so different. Unlike previous one there na na bomma one person.
One company.
Company. They don't know. As don't know control so. So now he decides say you say you have to go to them.
But said the parties agreed. IPAC for net so okay ya say one person password no cry ni ho ayepe because ya no oya suro ya ye hu
imagine say mo YouTube say na me na me control YouTube ndo be some program kwa kiza me ba ansana ebisi
me ma wo ba me so me ba e na cameraman ne so be ba from what owura say du nkete aka ye no e che say omo ati omo wase wo IPAC sign assistant no ye sure ya into de wo bi wa ye na so nya say wo no nko so no nko abetimi aye ama na ye nti e wo no ho but ono ansa no no be ye no gi say omo ka ho no nso e wo ho ansa ana
Kenya for experience we omo to ababi ma ho ba ma kofu piwu ansa na mo san ye bi this vendor locking samia time na omo ye no afo mo hia detail no na ni bakro na code nukra no watukwan Kenya in the economy see and that was the cost they have to complete the amount Kenya for consultants buy ebe cheche mu
okay
so
mo friends Kenya consultant apart from Jega from Nigeria no
Jega the one do obeche na adwene keke
obeche na mo friend ba
ye na friend beto be ba obeche na adwene ndo
no Farijan na mo san na mo fa obi foforo mo fra Farijan
o say na mo kese Farijan no a kire ne de de ndo ebi enim
na mo ne na encounter ana wasoma wie kontimu hia na adwen ni depth of knowledge ni experience no fan the fee no fan share tilapia
say the plan say explore different ways na 2011 contractor na or recommend me year 2012 by Medina no or Canada or by okay say we cannot depend on this no the sama Kenyan consultants by on so can and the current year consult then no man ba no na year no presentation no do all these people now we say the way forward say you move and because ba put come in comparison with current vendor na in there now you save a lot of money.
Okay, so Pesol build the data center at a cost of 6 million.
Yes.
I can Quebec cost 50.
And you upgrade on yes no to
Okay, and upgrade because here 15 new no kayinim. Okay, so the next one is the
you know, by next week, hardware no contract and software and so on. You know,
that's a software no more the internet service.
Oh, me,
they in a MTN.
Oh, I know the MTN here. You know, transmission.
Okay.
So, what to phone all right. But nobody decides to be Vodafone MTN as in
network.
The first no me should visit. To any year, to answer that, as a winner data no person was sport but for some and software here, so be a issue Android, I was in
iOS, okay.
And network.
Okay. And MTN then more than almost saying.
But me that figure.
You don't have an idea. I see. See, say a build data center new year. I feel not next week in hardware and software. No,
I'm going to contract. I
feel I do contract. But my James, why are you? Because I now Munti and Famu money more than more. Sir, I say the stakeholders have issues because
I need hardware and money. What I say by limitation, we need to buy them. And the re-registration be issue. I don't see any of them. No, I can say on potato machines. I don't mean some information.
Okay. They have a problem with someone starting procurement because they feel like just a your map that you have everything well planned out. Whether they have suggestions or they have misgivings or whatever, no. But only say don't give too much room for suspicion.
I say they more problem in say to equipment. I don't tell you. Or more problem say even more equipment, but you should be able to transfer the data no. Current data no. I know many say more complaining.
Yeah.
Until the argument is not about the new hardware.
My question is about you starting the procurement process.
No, process and say we are tendering we are electoral commission for no your technical to evaluation. If we are your entity tender committee, political parties no our reps also, or the major parties no. I wouldn't want to mention their names.
Okay.
But party for no reps also. And we are depend on the value no. And so now call national finance for society. Into all the political parties, we are aware, because they are part of the entity tender committee. The electoral commission one a year. Of member parties no more reps to dinner be some.
And young one was so more crona or more reps also no. Ebesia Baby Jina accusing master team of procurement.
Me didn't off air. Now
and can dance said the bear won't so be fino and now beg your come be from and I say your more accuse a year can or more repassing Messia no being
okay. Me name the other parties. Me name say Oba MPP Dr. Quaicoe, a member of the entity committee.
Okay.
And this is Dr. Ayine
Ayine. Good. Dominic Ayine.
Correct.
Okay.
A member of the entity committee.
Okay.
There's no way between my procurement be on some coming here.
Oh, okay. Into procurement be on master to be on money.
Correct.
Ye can personal systems, and no be send information say personal for the woman say we say new data center mobile dia 6 million. But omobeji 400 million as maintenance cost. Now, is it not too much on the public purse? Is that true? Maintenance cost. $400 million being paid for the maintenance.
No figure I wanted there.
Okay.
No. Good. Any. Offer what I've ever been said. Maintenance here $1 million for every 3 years. That's figures I'm one. Now over rather no. STL then I'm give 4 million a year for maintenance.
Oh, okay. And see, for any 100, any 400 is
just 4 million. Current contract now one since 2012 no. For maintenance data center you say other now.
Okay.
I'm give 4 million a year.
Okay.
But for new contract no 1 million for every 3 years. Do some yeah. Multiply when by year after 3 years, so by saying 12 million.
Okay. All right. So, hey, a man for Obi say, how did you arrive at those two companies?
Which companies?
Peso and is it Peso and the internet service provider?
Oh, yeah, open tender. Open tender because advertise here no.
Okay.
And a month for the by now. I might go through the process because who open tender now, they will come and take the tender document, no matter the now process evaluation and I could do and I know.
Okay. On that note, me person me bisa say some year register na coordinate say because last week yan komodie mu no code na share no be year problem because they I say do get about no my registration code no mo in your register and I say in your calendar mo no mo share say or polling station electoral area then constituency
then no region electoral area.
Oh, okay. District. Another person, but no. Region.
Yeah, region. Do I mean example?
Sure.
But what you doing?
Me sure me doing what Techman South.
Buno that time no Buno
for region.
Buno for your G.
Okay.
The card no supposed to say started with G.
Okay.
Ashanti F.
Okay.
The started was Western. The Western here. Obi otu ni Western be na A. Central B. Guitar cry C na ko. In the first 7 digits alphanumeric. First one alphabet and Ijama region no. And the next 2 no. That's second and third no Ijama the district. And the we are security and I won't want to go into details.
Oh, okay.
But the thing is I go fast maba. As at now I know can say Western region code in sign. Central in sign. Greater Accra in sign. Voter and sign.
Okay.
Eastern sign.
Okay.
Ashanti sign. Oma kan nyina dia sesa.
Baby nya new regions fee na
na. Yes. So new region no e be wewuram because you start to epra no. Na move no say na ekosoro.
Okay.
We are problem boy obi ada sesa. Now if you have to go by the current system here, what it means is say wow from Ashanti the mom was ro nyina no. Also obi do ID card. Do call the state office. Name new card because code na ukra no any current code no match it.
Oh, okay.
Because if you have to go by the current if any almost say from Ashanti down to Western no. Western no first Western north Western south in Accra the same code.
Code, okay.
Now no north one any different code.
Okay.
And even one more no why are you
different code because of
the
referendum no.
Correct.
Okay.
And so ufa this region be an creating new district no. New district now because the second and third digit no district. And the be district 1. Now we are district 2. Na eche mmienu a ba ku na me de ba ku ba be hwe ba for na ma no. The mo to so ko nyina so mu code be sesa.
Okay.
And apart from say from Western to Ashanti na regional code is sign no. The baby are creating new district be no so this code so asesa.
Oh,
okay. And your original code will be right, but this code will be wrong. Okay. And it's also called the district office for a new ID card if you have to maintain
this old one.
Good.
Okay.
Going by the current one, it will mean say we are also going to create a lot of congestions at our district offices. Because we have to go and change the card.
I see. And Cecilia, money is your contract, no, is cry. And Cecilia, Obi and you are all shares are yen data and sensem. A woman. Oh, okay. And she said, "Yesha Quaicoe said, move to many parties no, I resolve this issue. Na mama your problem. Am I?
A bomb say, you go through any engagement.
Apart from Empire Bono, apart from Empire Bono, concrete steps being na moteki. Ama yebehu so there will be a compromise along the line.
Into some of the steps involve eminent committee for no. Step in Bizanra, engage CSOs and the media. And we will continue to because we need to expand. Because I mean no yenti and was here. Maybe I'm the way we wait here, we wait to know Kasama.
Okay.
And we will continue to expand our consultations, including still going with our park.
Okay.
We did this with a baby.
Yeah, the anybody a shinty, Bibiania, Yabesiaba, and pay. Yebedase pa. I'm for Dr. Serebour Quaicoe, ye Director Electoral Services ewo EC and new register no hon komo a ekoso no ye no edina wama ye enchemu ahodo no de da ekoso ya ni piti enti 9:30 aboy de makache musa feed ye he me di me time so papa aha ena ye di evc me sorry so no happy birthday nkoma Hannah Mrs. Hannah Ama Ado South Odoko Estate. Hey, wow, you are a centenarian. When you feel waka and me bompa SMS wo. Inti onyame onsan hira. God don't bless you. All more blessings no onye more. Oma ahoden, oma apomuden pa, oma weni enye na oma umfa unim de ni usua na wanya wa abrabum no ebi nso enya nchirima. Inti Mrs. Hannah Ama Ado South Odoko Estate blessed 100th birthday to you from your children Sam, Becky, Mabel, Doris, Joyce and James, and then obia grandchildren and great grandchildren in na eka ho ebujan for the da ekoson ya any pity yes sorry so na ya damwase say na wotwemu ni nyina mo ne yen atena kai say o china special edition eye Adekye Nsroma ebeba anopemamenda creative line ase ewo atade kama opam ema me kaftan bia ode ko baabi o hyede adi udwuma ama ho aye fe se ode ko office no ni nyina creative line be pam ama oye screen printing oye souvenir branding enso eno e digital embroidery enti eye akọ creative line t-shirt na or print be fresh 0244 695057 0244 695057 Empabwan so a Magbro collection afimuni afi etwamuni na mene Magbro afin so mene Magbro enti me kan for Magbro collection amount penini nkwada mema ne ma obia mpabwa footballers mo kra mo boot ni bi ewo ehonom fresh 0244 211491 yadam wase yamaye muso nyame nhiraw na chena ye memenda eye asusuda koja obi ayefro koja obi abedintu koja obi aye da me ka me kire wo se eye gyeto me ho ne duru me so a wayi amame ti wan koja obi a eduru so a wunya obi edi nipa nso ene ye ema eye fe ti gina koja obi baby why yakram bye bye.